Luke Schaefermeyer, and I'm starting a BMX channel with my friend Matt, and we're going to do bike checks for you. So, this is my 2016 Mongoose L60. I know you're going to say it's a Mongoose, but I really like it. It's got a front load stem, 2.7 gear ratio, just saying. These nice gray wall tires, real low seat. Had some problems with the handlebars before and the grips, but we're doing okay now. Came with a broken front brake, but I didn't really want the front brake anyway. So, yeah, nice wide tires, plastic pedals, 3-piece cranks, all that. I like the red sprocket, it really stands out. So yeah, that's mine. You can take a closer look.
So, I guess I'm Matt, and I got my 2016 Sunday from Danscomp. It's called the Primer. We got Odyssey, the Odyssey grips, Odyssey brake cable, stuff like that, Odyssey tires, Sunday frame. I like the bike because it's light, wicked easy to pick up, carry around, jump it. It's got the top load stem, unlike the front load. It's got road tires. So yeah. It's got the tiny crank. Yep, the 3-wrench crank, stuff like that. So yeah.